Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate the nice neon effects for your project that you can use anywhere you want for free. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and once you open it you need to search for fffuel.co. You can see the current spelling. It spells like fffuel.co. Once you're done with it, just simply hit enter and a website will open right in front of you where you need to scroll down until you find this option which is neon glowing SVG shapes. Just simply open this and you can see a page will open right in front of you. From here you can customize the shape, the effect you want to add on your projects. Once you are done with it, here you need to scroll down, yeah, or you can see just simply over this right corner, right bottom corner, you can directly copy the SVG code to your clipboard and directly use it in your project. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.